In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Copilot in Excel. Copilot can supercharge your work in Excel, but it only appears when a few prerequisites are in place. We'll walk through the exact checks and settings to make sure it shows up, and I'll explain what each step does so you know why it matters. First, make sure your Microsoft 365 plan includes Copilot for Excel. Not every plan does, and if your subscription doesn't include it, the button won't appear no matter what you do in the app. If you are unsure, check the details of your subscription or ask your organization's IT administrator. Once you're confident you're on a supported plan, move on to the app itself. Next, update Excel to the latest build. Open Excel, go to File, then Account, and choose Update Now. This pulls down the newest features and fixes. Copilot is delivered through updates, so running an older build often explains why it's missing. After updating, review your privacy settings because Copilot needs permission to analyze workbook content to provide suggestions. In Excel, go to File, Account, and select Manage Settings. Look for the option related to content analysis and turn it on. If this setting is grayed out, it may be managed by your organization, in which case you'll need to follow your company's policies. Enabling content analysis allows Copilot to understand your data context and respond accurately. Now, restart Excel. Closing and reopening the app ensures your update and privacy changes take effect. When Excel relaunches, you may already see Copilot available on the ribbon. If Copilot still isn't visible, open File, go to Options, and look for the Copilot section. Make sure it's enabled there. This is a local toggle that can hide or show the feature even when everything else is set correctly. Finally, confirm that your file and storage meet Copilot's requirements. Copilot works with modern .xlsx workbooks, not older formats like .xls. If your file is in an older format, save a copy as .xlsx. Also, make sure your workbook is saved to OneDrive or SharePoint. Copilot relies on cloud-backed storage so it can securely access and analyze your data in context. If the file lives only on your local drive, move it to your OneDrive or a SharePoint library and open it from there. At this point, you should see Copilot in Excel and be ready to use it. Keep your app up to date, maintain the content analysis setting, and work in .xlsx files saved to OneDrive or SharePoint. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Copilot-powered workflow.